Here are 5 websites that offer opportunities for game testers to earn money. User testing. www.usertesting.com. User testing primarily focuses on user experience testing for various products, including video games. You may have the chance to test games and provide feedback while earning money. Playtest Cloud. www.playtestcloud.com. Playtest Cloud offers game testing opportunities for mobile games. Testers are asked to play games and provide feedback through recorded video sessions. You can earn money or rewards for participating in their tests. Beta Family. www.betafamily.com. Beta Family is a platform that connects game developers with testers. You can sign up as a tester, explore available beta testing opportunities for different games, and earn rewards for providing feedback. Early Bird. www.earlybird.com. Early Bird is a platform where game developers can receive feedback and insights from testers. Testers have the chance to earn money by testing and reviewing games during their beta stages. UTest. www.utest.com. While not exclusively focused on game testing, UTest offers a variety of testing opportunities, including video game testing. Testers can earn money by participating in different testing projects.